Welcome to Product Critique, where we break down the specs and features of trending products so you can make the best buying decisions. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best mountain bike full suspension disc for kids and pre-teens. The Cxcloestite 20-inch fat tire mountain bike, designed for adventurous riders aged 7 to 12. Built with a high-tensile carbon steel frame, it's not just tough, it's also surprisingly lightweight for its size. That's a huge plus for young riders still growing into their strength. The step-through frame design is a thoughtful addition, making it easy for kids to get on and off the bike without hassle or risk of tipping over. Now let's talk performance. This model comes with a 7-speed drivetrain that allows for seamless shifting, no matter the terrain. Hills, gravel paths, neighborhood streets, the Cxcloestite handles it all. The gear system is intuitive enough for beginners, but still offers enough variation for confident young riders looking to take on more challenging routes. Safety is where this mountain bike really shines. It features dual mechanical disc brakes with 160mm rotors, providing immediate and reliable stopping power. Whether they're racing down a hill or dodging unexpected obstacles, your child can brake smoothly and efficiently. That's the kind of control that gives peace of mind to both parents and kids. Next, the tires. The rugged 20x4.0-inch fat tires are built to conquer a variety of surfaces: city pavement, rocky trails, sand, and even snow. The oversized tires not only look cool but also offer up to 5 times the wear resistance of standard tires. Paired with a 100mm front suspension fork, the ride is incredibly stable and shock-absorbent, reducing fatigue and keeping the journey smooth even on bumpy roads. Assembly is often a deal-breaker for many, but not with this bike. It comes 85% pre-assembled, so you only need to attach the pedals, handlebars, seat, and front wheel. Inflate the tires, and you're ready to ride. Most users report being able to complete the setup in just 20 minutes, thanks to the included instruction manual and assembly video. Let's not forget the aesthetics. This model, the black and red color variant, looks sharp and sporty. It's a bike that kids will be proud to show off. And with multiple styles and frame configurations available, you've got flexibility to pick what suits your child best. It's built like a tank, rides like a dream, and keeps safety at the forefront. Whether your child is new to biking or already hitting off-road trails, this is a bike that grows with them, in performance, capability, and confidence. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on our latest product breakdowns. Got questions or want us to review a specific item? Drop a comment below, we're here for it. Until next time, ride safe and stay curious.